Hi everyone. Last year in July I went to Vegas. My mum came home one day and told me that she was getting married in Vegas and that she was paying for me to go, and I was absolutely ecstatic because I've always wanted to go but I didn't think I would have the money to pay for it. But I did have to save up my own spending money. So I found that for the full year before I left, I was just stressing out about how much money I was going to need. I went onto forums and I asked people for advice, and I was getting answers like, oh, you'll need 5 grand or 7 grand for 10 days. And I don't know about you, but there's no way I could have saved up that kind of money for a holiday. So I was stressing out, thinking that I was just going to go to Vegas and spend 10 days in my hotel room crying because I didn't have money to do anything. When I got there, I realised that you easily could spend 7 grand in 10 days if that's the type of person that you are. But in real life, I'm a bargain hunter, so I don't see why it should be any different on holiday. And I did find a few ways to save money while I was over there. I thought that I would share these tips and tricks with everyone. So last week I joined a Facebook page called Las Vegas Fans UK, and I asked them if there was anything that they would like to know about saving money in Vegas. Needless to say, I got a lot of questions and comments. So instead of making a 2 hour long video with information that you don't really need to know, I've decided to make a series of shorter videos trying to explain where to save money, where to eat out, where to go for drinks and things like that. I'm also going to be making a video explaining how to use the M Life and Total Rewards cards and how to incorporate playing the My Vegas games to save money and get some freebies while you're over there. Another 2 videos that I'm going to make is what to expect when in Vegas, because you have an idea in your head of what it's going to look like from seeing movies and TV shows, but I can guarantee you that it's actually a lot better than what you're expecting. When I was there, it just blew my mind every single day. It was so amazing. The casinos are totally different from what I was expecting as well, which I'll explain in that video. Another video that I'm going to make is things that you should know about getting married in Vegas, especially if it's in the little white chapel. In films, they make out that you can just walk in drunk and get married, but that's not really how it is, so I'm going to be explaining that in another video as well. As I record the videos, I'll be putting the link in the description box below, and if you have any other questions, please put them in the comments section. If you're from the UK, I would advise that you join the Las Vegas Fans UK Facebook page, because there's a lot of people on there that can give good advice as well. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. I hope to see you in some of my other Vegas videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!